I love sunglasses. There's my confession. I said it. It's on YouTube. I wear them all the time. Yeah, I even wear my sunglasses at night. A while back, I did a video that's still one of my most popular videos reviewing some other sunglasses. Well, Tomahawk Shades reached out to me and said, hey, our sunglasses are better than that other brand you did. Would you do a review if we sent you some? I'm like, absolutely. So they are not paying for this at all. They sent me 3 pair. Let's unbox these things. Got my Batman blade. There we go. It's the official one. And let's see if Tomahawk Shades, yep, that's the name, if they truly are that good. All right, so we're gonna open it right here. I'm like giddy about this. So I have not opened this at all until now, and obviously that's pretty obvious. I can't even get in the box. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, Tomahawk Shades. Nice box. If I figure out how to get in. Oh, look at this. They couldn't have made it any easier. Ooh. All right, so I got the 3 pair. That's kind of cool. I gotta find the lens. Look at that. It's like their logo. Is it upside down? It's their logo. They come in the nice little bags. That's pretty cool. Ooh, nice. There's one. And 2. Very cool, very cool. And, oh, that's the mystery pair. Here are these. Put that over there. And, ooh. That looks pretty sweet. Now you can even see my setup. Yep, very nice. Very nice. They feel good. All right, there's that pair. And then there's this pair, and this is the one I can't remember. I have to go back and look on, see. Nice. They're very light. They're very light, like that. Pretty cool. I like the color. And now for the mystery pair. I don't know why these are wrapped this way, but ooh, these are different shape. I'm already seeing how I might like these a lot. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Are those not the coolest little thing? So you've got different styles and shapes, and again, these are the ones I picked. So let me try them on and see what they look like. Here we go. The first pair. Below Zero limited edition. I'm not sure what makes them limited. They're oh man, they're really cool. They're dark. Now granted, I'm inside with a light. It'll be interesting to see what they're like outside. I love the look. I like the color. They're very lightweight, but they feel nicely made, if that makes sense. A little raised edge right here. Very cool. So these are below Zero. All right, next pair. Next up, the Solar Flare limited edition. These are about 40 bucks, which I think the other pair was too. Again, they feel very similar, little different. They're darker, but in reality, I'm inside with a bright production light at my face, but they feel nice. They're lightweight. All right, pair number 3, which I think may be my favorite. Here we go. And Rainiers, which I completely butchered during the unboxing. Ooh, I like these a lot. Now these are around, I think, 45. These I like. I like the look of it. You know, there was a movie years ago. What was it called? The Professional? He wore stuff like this, which he was a bad guy, so I'm a good guy. The frames are a little thinner. Can you tell right there? But man, they feel, woo! These feel nice. I love mirrored sunglasses, but I gotta tell you guys, these are nice. These are really nice. One of the things I do like about Tomahawks is they try and keep the prices low. In fact, if you sort by high to low price, the highest they have are like 75 bucks, and I think they go all the way down to 35. That's not cheap, but that's affordable too. All right, so which ones did you like best? Which ones do you think look better on me? And please don't say none of them. Below Zero, Solar Flare, Rainier. I gotta tell you, of these three, I think I like these better. The frame is a little thinner. I love the metallic look on there, which doesn't impact the color of the room. I do like these. I just like the look and the feel. They're plastic, but they don't feel plastic, if that makes sense. Lightweight, love the warranty. So links in the description if you wanna check them out. My name's Kevin Colby. I hope you keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, future's so bright. I gotta wear shades.